Number 4, sliding between accidentals, page 12 in the I Used to Play Violin book series. Okay, now again, I just want to kind of point this out. If you are a clasper where you're holding here and the side of your hand to provide some stability for your left hand, that's going to cause this movement here to be very difficult, if impossible. So I want to encourage you to move out, okay? Move that hand, there you go, you can see that, away from the neck so that your fingers can actually move. All right, so here we go, page number 4.